Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Cheri. I'm Cheri.
And I'm Nick. So glad you're here with us today.
Yes, really, we always love having you here. So today's topic is, well, it's a topic that is very close to my heart.
Oh, mine too, actually. We're talking about small progress and why small progress is still progress.
Right, and if you are learning English, maybe you feel sometimes that you are not moving fast enough. Maybe you study every day, but you think, I'm not improving.
Oh, yes, that feeling is so real. I've been there too, honestly.
So today, we want to talk about that. We want to say, it's okay. Small steps are still steps.
And we'll also look at some useful words and phrases for today's topic. Words you can use in real life, every day.
Okay, so let's start. Nick, can you tell our listeners, what does the word progress mean?
Sure, so progress means moving forward, getting better. For example, I am making progress with my English. That means your English is getting better, slowly, step by step.
I love that. Step by step. That is a really important phrase. Let's say it together. Step by step.
Step by step. Yeah, it means you don't rush. You go slowly, but you keep going.
And keep going is another great phrase. It means don't stop, continue, even when it is hard.
Right, so those are our first two phrases, step by step and keep going. Remember those.
Okay, so let's talk about something that happens to a lot of learners. You know, sometimes you feel stuck.
Oh yes, stuck. That means you feel like you are not moving, like everything's stopped.
And that feeling, it's very frustrating, right?
So frustrating. I remember when I was learning Spanish, I studied every day for weeks. And one day I thought, wait, I still can't understand the TV show. What is happening?
Oh, that is so relatable. But here's the thing. Actually, you were learning. You just couldn't see it yet.
Right, and that is really important. Sometimes progress is invisible at first.
Invisible. Good word, Nick. That means you cannot see it, but it is there.
Yes, so for example, maybe today you learned 3 new words. 3 words. That feels small, right?
It does feel small.
But 3 words a day, in 1 week, that is 21 new words.
Oh, that's true.
In 1 month, that is around 90 new words. That is not small. That is a lot.
How? Yes. When you put it that way, it really changes how you think about it.
That's the thing. Small things add up. Add up means when small amounts become a big amount together.
Add up. I love that phrase. Small things add up. So let's review the phrases so far. We have step by step, keep going, small things add up.
And progress is invisible at first.
Perfect. Okay, so let's keep going, pun intended, and talk about what does small progress look like in real life?
Okay, so real life examples. I love this part.
Me too. So, Nick, let's imagine a student. Her name is, let's say, Maria. Maria is learning English. She is at the beginning, A1 level. She studies maybe 30 minutes every day.
30 minutes. That's not a long time, right?
No, it's not. But she is consistent. That means she does it every day. She doesn't miss a day.
And consistent, that is the key word here. Being consistent is more important than studying for a very long time just one day.
Right, exactly. So 1 hour on Sunday is not as good as 10 minutes every single day.
So true. Our brains need time to absorb things, to take information in slowly.
Absorb, another good word. It means to take something in, to really learn it.
So Maria studies 30 minutes a day. After 2 weeks, she can say hello, introduce herself, and ask simple questions.
After 2 months, she can have a short conversation, maybe at a coffee shop, maybe with a new friend.
And after 1 year,
she is having a conversation on a podcast. Well, maybe.
Maybe. But you see, each of those steps, they started with 30 minutes a day.
Small, consistent steps.
Small, consistent steps.
I think that is so powerful. Okay, so now let's talk about something that I think is really important, and that is comparing yourself to other people.
Oh, yes, this is a big one.
Because sometimes you see someone on social media and they say, I learned English in 6 months, or I speak 5 languages, and you think,
Why am I so slow? Yeah.
right, and that feeling, it can really kill your motivation. Motivation means your reason to do something, your energy to continue.
And when you compare yourself to others, you can lose that motivation very fast.
Very fast. So we want to say this clearly. Please don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10.
Oh, I love that. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10.
Because you don't know that person's full story. Maybe they started earlier. Maybe they had more time. Maybe they already spoke a similar language.
Right. Everyone's journey is different. Journey means the path you take, your own personal story of learning.
And your journey is yours. It belongs to you.
That's beautiful, actually. Your journey belongs to you.
So instead of comparing, compare yourself to yourself. Look at where you were 1 month ago, 3 months ago.
Yes. So instead of thinking, I'm not as good as that person on the internet, think, wait, 3 months ago, I couldn't understand this podcast, and now I can.
That is real progress. That is your progress.
And that is worth celebrating.
Celebrating, yes. Let's add that to our phrase list. That is worth celebrating. Okay, Nick, let's talk about some everyday situations, because I think it helps to hear English being used in real conversations, not just in textbooks.
Right, totally. Okay, so situation 1, you're at work. Your colleague, that means your workmate, your colleague says to you in English, good job today. And 6 months ago, you didn't know what that meant.
But today, you understood it, and maybe you even said, thank you, same to you, back.
That is progress. Small, but real.
Situation 2. You are watching a TV show in English, and you hear a joke, and you laugh because you understood the joke.
Oh, that moment when you understand the joke in another language, that feeling is incredible.
It really is. I still remember the first time that happened to me with another language. I was so happy.
Right, and that is a moment of progress. You might not even notice it in the moment, but it is progress.
Situation 3. You write a message to a friend in English, maybe just a short message. I'm on my way, or see you soon, or even, how are you?
Simple, but you wrote it in English without translating every single word in your head.
And maybe that took you less time than it did last month.
Faster, more natural. That is progress.
All of these small things, they add up. Remember that phrase?
They add up, yes.
Okay, so we have one more thing to talk about before the outro, and this is what to do when you feel like giving up.
Oh, yes, because that moment comes for everyone.
For everyone, no exception.
You feel tired, maybe you had a bad week, maybe you tried to have a conversation and it didn't go well, and you think, maybe this is not for me.
So here is what I say when I feel that way, or when my students tell me they feel that way. I say, rest, don't quit.
Rest, don't quit. I love that.
There is a big difference between resting and quitting. Resting means you stop for a little while, but you plan to come back. Quitting means you stop completely.
So if you feel exhausted, give yourself a break. 1 day, maybe 2 days. Watch something fun in English. Don't think about grammar. Don't study.
Just enjoy the language without pressure.
Without pressure. That means without stress, without feeling like you have to do something.
And then come back, because every time you come back after a rest, you feel a little bit refreshed, ready to continue.
Refreshed. That means you have new energy. You feel better.
So remember, rest, don't quit.
Rest, don't quit. Beautiful.
Okay, friends, let's do a quick review before we say goodbye.
Yes. So today we talked about small progress, and we said small progress is still real progress.
We learned some great phrases. Nick, do you want to go through them?
Of course. Okay. Phrase 1, step by step. 2, keep going. 3, small things add up.
4, progress is invisible at first. 5, Your journey belongs to you.
6. That is worth celebrating. And 7.
Rest, don't quit.
Rest, don't quit. Beautiful phrases for today.
And our big message for this episode is don't look at how far you still have to go. Look at how far you have already come.
Yes, every single word you learned, every conversation you had, every episode of this podcast you listened to, that is all progress.
You are doing it right now. By being here and listening, you are making progress.
We are so proud of you. Seriously.
So proud. And we want to hear from you. What is one small thing you did this week for your English? Tell us in the comments. We read every single one.
We really do. And if this episode helped you, please share it with a friend who is also learning English. It means the world to us.
It really does. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
Until next time, keep going.
Step by step.
And remember,
Small progress is still progress.
see you next time on English with Cheri. Bye, everyone.
Bye.